Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I would like to prove the perimeter and area of a right triangle using a shape we already have proven formulas for, the rectangle. A right triangle is defined as a triangle where one of the angles is a right or 90-degree angle, and we can attempt to draw it on grid paper. But we will see that unlike a square or rectangle, the area of it does not fit neatly into 1-unit squares, so we will have to prove it some other way. If we are creative about this, we can see that if we take another right triangle with the same area and perimeter and make both triangles meet at the side opposite their right angle, we have created a shape we are already familiar with, the rectangle. We know already that the area of a rectangle is length times width, and the perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times width. So we can see that the area of one of the triangles individually would have to be half the total area. But unfortunately, this trick is only good for the area of a right triangle. The perimeter of a right triangle will have to be calculated in a different way, as the side opposite the right angle does not follow a square pattern perfectly, similar to the problem we encountered trying to find its area. However, what we can do is count the number of squares on the first leg, the number of squares on the second leg, and then count the number of squares on the leg opposite the right angle, but at a tilt, so that it lines up with the slope of the leg. And we can see, if we make square shapes out of our results, that the squares on the shorter ends of the right triangle perfectly add up to the square on the longer end of the right triangle opposite the right angle. And this is stated formally in the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the legs near the right angle and c is the leg opposite the right angle. This will have other useful applications later besides simply finding the legs of a right triangle. But for now, we are only concerned with finding the perimeter of a right triangle, which will be length of leg A plus length of leg B, plus the square root of leg A squared plus leg B squared. Note that so far, we have only proven the area and perimeter formulas for a right triangle specifically, so we will have to use other techniques to find the area and perimeter of other types of triangles, which we will do in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.